fight for their destiny. Alright? 1A, kung nakuha natin lahat yon. Ay, parang hindi. One more time, panatilihin ang katahimikan habang ang ating kandidata, the final five, are answering. Alright? 1A. Perfect. Let's just check kung naririnig nila tayo. Ladies, kung naririnig nyo kami, raise your right hand. Perfect. Ang galing mag-acting. I'm just kidding. We made sure that the fight tonight is fair and just. Mutya 1. How does it feel to make it to the top 5?
I feel great. Wala na ko siya kita-expect because we know that we have all done insecurities to ourselves, but for me, ginakuha na ko siya as a motivate, and also my parents, my father and my mother, and also my relatives and my supporters. Nag-support sila always ako, so wala siya, naghatag o kusog sa kuha karon. Wala lang to. Dagang salamat.
Alright, you're ready for your final question. You have 1 minute. Pwede mong gamitin kung anumang lingwahe ang iyong gusto. The question is now in my hand. What are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values? Again, what are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values?
What I am most unapologetic is for being a non-negotiable when it comes to my peace. By pursuing what I really truly believe. And also, I respect my... And also, gina-respect na ko ang ako every na akong desisyon sa lives, and pinagmalaki na ako sa tanan na pinagmalaki na ako sa tanan na ako garian because
Thank you so much. Movie up 1. You may want to take a deep breath backstage. Now let's welcome our second finalist, Mutya number 3. Let's get this one in order na lang para hindi mahirapan ang ating judges. Mutya 3, please join me here. Mutya 3, anong iyong pakiramdam now that you are just one question away from the crown?
It is an honor to be part of the top 5. I know it is not easy, it is very tough. And also to my co-candidates who did not go through to the top 5, congratulations to all of us.
I know you are overwhelmed. Hinga ka muna. You are given 1 minute to answer this question. I will read it twice. And to everyone, please watch muna tayo. Your question is, what are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values? Again, what are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values?
I am unapologetic for being resilient. Because despite everything life has shown to me, I am standing here tonight. I am standing here tonight to prove that I am deserving to that crown. Last August 18, far devastated, our Purok San Isidro Labrador, and including our family's home. And instead of backing out of the competition, I didn't choose to back out because I believe challenges doesn't define us, but our courage does. And if I can rise from the ashes, I know that I can inspire someone to do the same. Because I believe through strength, we can foster, because the true strength is not about avoiding the flames. It is all about backing through them and coming out for the fighter. That will be all. Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much, Makakaling natin ang backstage. Now let's welcome Mutia 7. Where are the supporters of Mutia 7?
Paulan kita. Di paulahin ko si Maika.
Mutia 7. I will
Paulahin
give
kita
you
ba?
time to say
Verse 6 ko check.
anything.
Paulahin kita.
Anyone, go.
Thank you for everyone who's been with me since day one and still rooting for me till now. And I just hope that no matter what the outcome is tonight, I made you proud.
Alright, Mutia 7, I will read the question twice. You have 1 minute to answer. You may use whatever language you're most comfortable with. Here's your final question. What are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values? Again, what are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values?
What am I most unapologetic for is how I live my life. As most of us is used to the quote, we only live once. But for me, we only die once. Because we have the choice and we hold the right for us to live. And we live by not meeting everyone's expectation that you're not obliged with, by not living in everyone's idea of you, and by not craving everyone's validation. Because in the end of the day, it's you who knows yourself more. And by that, you are living your life the way you want and the way you love. And once again, I am your Mutia number 7, reminding you to embrace your uniqueness, your differences, because that is what makes you who you are. And that is the things that I am most unapologetic for. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mutia 7. And your fans, your family, friends around here. We have 2 more finals to go. Let's hear what they have to say. Mutia 8. Join me here.
Mau ba to yung tupad? Mau to yung tupad? Mau to
Wow.
yung tupad?
We're down to 2
Oo,
races
daw.
to go. Let's take one question.
Diri ka.
Let's hear what Mutia 8 has to say. Mutia 8, would you like to greet anyone or thank anyone? Go ahead.
Hello again, everybody. I would like to thank each and every one of you for coming here and to witness this another milestone of our lives. And yet again, I would like to say thank you to my supporters, my families, and my family.
Alright, there they are still alive and kicking. You ready to answer your final question? You are given 1 minute to answer. I will read it twice. Feel free to use whatever language you're most comfortable with. What are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values? Again, what are you
Ina siya.
most
Maigo.
unapologetic
Maigo
for
ba?
when it comes
Kuhita
to
siya,
your
ayag lihok.
personal values?
I am most unapologetic when I am ambitious. Because if I am ambitious, if you think that being ambitious is too much, then I would rather be too much than settle for less than what I have destined to become. Sabi nga ni Jose Rizal, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. And through this ambition, I would strive to live as that hope. And I
Thank you, Mutia 8. Those who are so proud of you. Let's welcome our final finalist, Mutia 6. Baka masabi ko ang wrong number. Mutia 6, join me here. Some of you recognize her. She's wearing a different Beautiful. Thank you so much for reminding us that God is indeed the one who orchestrated all of this. So, you're ready for your final question?
I should be ready.
1 minute. You can use any language you're most comfortable with. I will read it twice. What are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values? Again, what are you most unapologetic for when it comes to your personal values?
Thank you. Living in alignment with my personal values has led me to a greater purpose and fulfillment. And one thing I am unapologetic for is my sense of humanity. Before joining this pageant, I have received judgments and criticisms regarding my body. And that's when I realized how important my personal values and how body neutrality means. And shifting my mentality and proving everyone else that my body isn't up for discussion wasn't easy. People tried to bring me down, but I always got up. And I always advocate for grace, compassion, as I believe my authenticity will speak volume as for the queen that I am. Thank you.
The beauty and the strength of their stories. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if I'm not mistaken, this question was asked to our very own Pilipinas International 2025 at Davao and Christina Johnson in her first stint in Pilipinas. And look at where she is now. And hearing from our final five, who are we to say we cannot make it one more time to the national stage, right? So now, before we announce this year's Mundial ng Agdao Proper 2025, let us witness once again the beauty and the grace of our final five in their final look. And there you have it, our final five. In their final walk, we are just a moment away from crowning our new queen. And while our tabulation team is still computing all the results from our selection committee, allow me to interview one more time all of our candidates. Just let's make it light and easy. Let's start with you, Mutya 6. Ano ang unang bagay na or pagkain na kakainin mo after tonight?
As I've mentioned earlier, before joining this pageant, I have received a lot of criticisms regarding my body. And as I've mentioned as well, body neutrality is somehow an important education for all of us that I hope I can advocate for all of you. If I were proud tonight, I am going to do that, or I will emphasize that to each and every one. So the first thing that I will be eating, I think I will be eating lechon. I will be eating lechon because if I were to be honest with regards to my preparation for Mundial ng Agdao, I have really done a lot of diet and I'm really craving for lechon. So I'm gonna do it.
You deserve lechon. Ang request ko lang, dapat kasama ako after this. Gusto ko din ng lechon. But I love the powerful reminder. Here's the body neutrality. Here's the body positivity. No to body shaming. It's already 2025, you guys. Huwag na po natin i-body shame, babae man, or our brothers and sisters in the LGBTQIA+. All beauty queens have been subjected to that since long long time ago. Bago na naman, please. Hello, Mutia 7. You mentioned kanina ikaw yung may boyfriend ulit. Parents, alam ba yan ang parents mo?
Yes.
Okay, with blessing. So, what's the secret to balancing academics and personal relationship?
Knowing where our relationship stands and our priorities.
Well, very good. Ganyan dapat, no, mga kabataan? Know how to balance your priorities and your relationships. So, ano na kayo matagal?
Just 2 months, but we're friends with our
Childhood sweetheart.
friends in our college.
Friends in school. Nakuratan ko siya. Kasi ako pa yung may mag-away. Sorry naman. Now, Mutia 8. How do you feel now? So, kanina may nagsabi, family daw niya ang dahilan bakit siya nandito. Ikaw, what's the reason why you're here?
The reason why I'm here because I wanted to try new things. And of course, like I said kanina na, parang na-push ako ng mga friends ko. Yeah, so I said, why not? Since the opportunity was given to me and
Well, sometimes, aside sa performance, is destiny. And I think you have to thank your friends for putting you here because you have done a great, great job alongside your finalists. So, dito naman tayo, Mutia. Number 3. I love number 3 because in most of my pageants po, number 3 din ako. Just recently, Mutia 3 din ako. So, pressure. Katurugayan ka mo gawas. Wala pa kabalo asa ka musman. Mutanaw, di ba? So, what did Mutia ng Agaw Proper experience teach you? Anong itinuro sa'yo ng Mutia ng Agaw Proper 2025 journey?
It is be with yourself and be confident and also walk with pride.
I love it. Walk with pride. So sana lahat po ng mga young girls looking at your ates right now. O ate, edad ko lang po sila. Sana po ay na-inspire kayo to muster the courage to fight for your dreams and be heard. How about you, Mutia 1? Gamay tignan mo si Mutia 1 mo. Sino mas kumukha mo? Mama, Papa?
Papa.
Nandito ba si Papa? Ay, ayun! Ay, di ka kamukha nga. Maliit din ang mukha ni Tito. So, after Mutia ng Agaw Proper 20, first pageant mo ba ito?
Yes, it's my first pageant, so like, pressure na siya. Wala ko na-expect na mabot ko sa top 5 and take it out.
Okay. Well, you should celebrate kasi you earned the spot in the top 5. Like I said, performance and destiny po. Nakasulat na po ang lahat ng ito with God's hands. So, meron ka bang gustong batiin? Ikaw ba yung nagsabi may boyfriend?
Hindi ko.
Chinay ko lang, kayo dyan si Tito. Pwede na ba mag-boyfriend? Hindi.
Pa, pwede na ba?
So, huwag mo na sagutin dito. Kasi mga tangan ko ni Tito. Hala, anong ano ba na? At what course are you taking?
Yes, senior high, first grade na.
Anong gusto mo maging? Pag college ka na, anong kukunin mong kurso?
Sige, bartender to, yes, bartender to, kasundo na ko ang sa mga mama since bartender pa siya sa Dubai.
See how our parents shape our identity. Tito, I hope you are proud. You have raised such a fine, beautiful woman. And the same thing goes to the parents, the supporters of all our